If you are trying to verify WhatsApp and it says you can request a new code in 7 hours, here's how to fix it and get the code faster. First, make sure your phone number is entered correctly along with the correct country code. A small mistake can cause delays. Next, check if your SIM card has a good signal and is active. Try sending a test SMS or making a call to be sure. Now, make sure SMS permissions are allowed for WhatsApp. Long press the WhatsApp icon, tap App Info, then go to Permissions, SMS, and set it to allow. Also, turn off Do Not Disturb mode or any third-party SMS blockers that might be interfering with the incoming messages. Restart your phone and try again. If the timer still shows 7 hours, unfortunately, you'll have to wait. This is a cooldown limit set by WhatsApp after too many failed attempts. To avoid this in the future, always double check your number and only request the code once. Then wait patiently for it to arrive. And that's how you fix the WhatsApp verification code delay problem on Android. If this helps, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more useful fixes like this.